हेलो एंड अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम। मैं प्रिया लेकर आ गई हूँ आपके लिए जी कनेक्ट सीजन 6 का एक नया एपिसोड विद एक नया सवाल। सो हियर गोज, व्हिच वाज द फर्स्ट बॉलीवुड मूवी टू बी शॉट आउटसाइड इंडिया? पर इसका जवाब थोड़ी सी देर में। सो आज के एपिसोड में कौन है स्पेशल? सोचो सोचो। Well, the super energetic Ranveer Singh and the very beautiful Vani Kapoor at the world premiere of Befikre in Dubai, the famous choreographer Terence Lewis who came down to judge a dance show, and some more very mazedar events. So let's begin. Well. हर साल दिसंबर के महीने में दुबई की विंटर्स की तरह one more thing keeps coming back as a tradition. One of the most prestigious and glamorous events in Dubai, a celebration of Arab and international cinema, DIFF. That is Dubai International Film Festival that was back with its 13th edition. And that's not all. The star-studded event also witnessed the world premiere of Ranveer Singh and Vani Kapoor's starrer free-spirited romantic comedy Befikre. हमने की थोड़ी मस्ती, थोड़ी chit-chat with the lead pair. Let's watch it. So we are at the 13th edition of the Dubai International Film Festival at Madinat Jumeirah और मेरे साथ हैं the star cast of Befikre, the very hot Ranveer Singh and the gorgeous Vani Kapoor. Welcome Ranveer and Vani to Z Connect Season 6.
That is the best intro on earth.
I know.
I don't want to be called anything else. Just call me hot and I'm happy.
So Befikre, or should I call it Bay-censored? So are you guys relieved?
Yes, very relieved. It's important for the filmmaker's vision to not be tampered with. I really hope and wish and pray that for every filmmaker. And it's credit to the Indian censors who've seen the film and seen those kisses in their context and realized that it's not a dirty thing. It's not it won't make anybody uncomfortable or it won't make anybody cringe. When you view it in its context, it can very easily be viewed as for what it is, which is just an expression of love and warmth. So the puppies, they're like japis, it's like a hug. A kiss is like a hug.
Vani, tell me about your character Shaira in the movie.
Shaira's a lot like any other modern contemporary girl, and she's somebody who's born and brought up in Paris. She's very French in her heart and her head. Actually, not heart, because she's very in. There's this desi thing that she has, which she's unaware of. I wish I could be like her. Just living life and speaking her own mind and. Really chilled out.
And how close is that character to you in real life?
Now I think I've blurred the lines because living her for so many months, I think I've become her, and she's a part of me. I've given it to her. So she's almost like my second nature now, But I think I just can hope that I can be as cool and daring as she is. She's quite inspiring though. Yeah.
And what about Dharam? How is Dharam different from what Ranveer is in real life?
It's very similar to me in many ways. He's a happy-go-lucky boy, He's just a happy boy. He loves to make people happy, make people laugh. He's a stand-up comedian, and he's a pleasant chap. He's a slight wannabe, and then Shaira comes into his life and shows him how to be cool. And in real life, it's the opposite. He's got a great, as they say in French, joie de vivre, love for life, and I think that kind of vibe, that kind of energy of the character, I saw the film myself, and it transmits itself to the audience, and then they get that feeling. It's a happy film. It'll fill you up with that feeling of warmth and endearment when you watch it. I'm really proud to be a part of such a film, It's been a long time coming. I usually do very intense movies. It's my first time doing a film like this, and I'm so happy and proud about it.
So the movie is finally releasing tonight. The world premiere is at DIF. How befikre are you right now?
I am the least befikre I have probably been in my entire life. I am fikre from head to toe, inside out. It's really nerve-wracking when in just a few hours, a live audience is going to watch the film for the first time. Of course, we got a little bit of a taste. We watched it with friends and family a couple of nights ago, and they were smiling throughout the film and giggling and chuckling, and they were with the film the way we wanted them to be with every beat. But they, tonight's gonna be different. The world's gonna see it, and yeah, it literally my palms become sweaty and my knees feel like jelly and I get butterflies in my stomach. So yeah, it happens every time.
Thank you guys for being on Zee Connect Season 6. We are really looking forward to the world premiere of Befikre tonight.
Thank you so much.
Are you?
Amji,
Anxious?
I'm blanking out right now.
Really?
It's just a few minutes to go for the screening to start. I don't really know what to do, what to say, how to be. I'm a complete bag of nerves. What about you, Vani?
Out of words. Absolutely out of words.
Yeah, pretty much.
I'm just praying
That's an honest response.
really hard right now.
Both of you look absolutely gorgeous.
Thank
What
you.
are you wearing?
I'm wearing Arjun Saluja and my favorite Sabyasachi Louboutins. Sabyasachi, Louboutin and Saluja. 3 of my favorite people in the world.
Excellent. Well, मैंने फ्रेंच में कहने की कोशिश की that was excellent. भाई मैं तो वानी कपूर की तरह फ्रेंच क्लासेस के लिए एनरोल करने जा रही हूँ. तब तक आप ले लीजिए क्विक ब्रेक. Stay tuned. Welcome back. I'm sure हम सबको क्रिकेट बहुत पसंद है. And if it is played for a noble cause, तो इस गेम की वैल्यू थोड़ी और बढ़ जाती है. Smart Cup एक ऐसा ही इनिशिएटिव है that was started by an NGO Smart Life in 2010. It is a cricket competition that helps to bridge the gaps between blue and white collared workers. The event witnessed a participation from more than 80 corporates, and all the funds raised through the competition went towards the project Smart Sapna, that is meant to fulfill the dreams of laborers by educating their children in their home countries. Let's go take a look at the fun-filled event.
Is Smart Cup from the NGO Smart Life. Smart Cup, what is this all about? Smart Cup is a cricket tournament, but not just any ordinary cricket tournament. It's cricket with a difference because this brings about inclusiveness between blue collar and white collar workers. The basic essential of this tournament and the matches here is that every team should comprise a mix of blue and white collars.
जहाँ क्रिकेट की बात होती है वहाँ इंडिया तो ज़रूर याद आता है. In fact, don't some parts of Dubai remind you of India? I'm sure many of us living here have found a mini India somewhere or the other. और ऐसा ही एक atmosphere create किया Springdale School Dubai ने, a sister school of the internationally renowned Springdale School Delhi. Taste of India, a recent event attended by more than 2,500 parents, celebrated the flavor of Indian culture via food stalls, performances and competitions such as the best Rangoli and the best Indian dress. We brought to you a few glimpses from the event. Take a look.
Two great nations, India and UAE, have many things in common. But the best commonality is we, the Indians, who believe in being quintessentially Indian and innovatively international. So today, the whole Springdalian family has come together true to its motto, the world is a family. We've come here as a family to celebrate India and Indianness with a diverse international flavor. So this is Taste of India all about. This is our second year that we're celebrating Taste of India. And we are very proud to be a part of Springdales. And Aru ma'am, would you like to share something?
This is India in UAE, and we're all proud to be here. Happy parade to India. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Well, as you can see, I'm enjoying the Taste of India Day here at Springdale School. It's a real pleasure to be here with our community. I'm not sure that the camera can see, but we've got parents, staff and students here all enjoying this very special day. It happens once a year. And during this day, we share not only the food, as you can see, but also dance and culture and conversation. It's all about being one big community.
Today, as you can see, Taste of India is an event which is to bring all the Indian community together to experience the Indian taste, Indian foods, Indian clothing. It's not only related to food, it is like the Indian culture which is all coming together here. The idea of this school is to bring all the parent community to interact with each other, to support the school and to support this community together. Thank you.
और ये देखकर आपको इंडिया की याद तो ज़रूर आई होगी, तो मैं आपको थोड़ी देर उन यादों में रहने देती हूँ और वापस आती हूँ एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेकर. See you soon. Welcome back. कहते हैं कि dancing is like dreaming with your feet. Well, it was indeed a dream watching the Strikers Dance Challenge 2016 that was held recently at the new private school Dubai. Organized by the Strikers Dance Institute, the competition saw its students showing Indian and international styles of dance. हम मिले इस इवेंट के सेलिब्रिटी जज और बॉलीवुड कोरियोग्राफर टेरेंस लुइस से. Welcome, Terence, to Z Connect Season 6. It's an absolute pleasure to have you on our show.
Thank you so much, Priya, for inviting me. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure.
So, Terence, firstly, tell me about the Strikers Dance Challenge that you're judging today.
So this is my second time here in 1 year, and I feel very honored to be a part of the jury, and also be the the principal judge to select the best dancer. Partly because also of the fact that our shows like Dance India Dance, Nach Paliye, and a lot of dance reality shows like So You Can Dance also, India has become very very popular among the youth, and I think right now dance has become in a way so I think it's very important for platforms like this and many others, especially Trust Strikers, who has done this incredibly in 1 year. They've got me back again for another challenge. So clearly the demand is much more. Clearly there is a lot of budding talent out there. I think for that purpose itself, I think it's great that a show like this is there, so that it allows people to experiment, to explore, to find out the reality of how good they are, giving them a chance to kind of, for all the hard work that they put in for years or months, to really kind of find a certain conclusion, so they know, okay, where do I stand? Because you may rehearse in your own studio and with your own teacher, and you might think you're fantastic.
Something about your choreography now. Tell me, you've given the choreography for Lagan. Tell me your best memory of Lagan.
That was not I was not even dreaming of becoming a choreographer, to be very honest. I was very happy in my space. When I was approached for this film, I was completely stupefied because I knew how to dance, but I didn't know camera. See, it's one thing to know how to dance as a choreographer on stage. So I'm a very good stage choreographer. So I'm very good with musicals and stage and performances and Filmfare Awards and all of that. But I had no clue about camera. How do you shoot an actor? What is a close-up? What is a long shot? What is a mid shot? What is an over the shoulder shot? What is continuity? What happens if the camera exits left? Then he has to. What happens when the actor exits the camera left? Then he has to enter frame from right in the next shot. So all of that was completely none that I knew of. So I completely refused it at the first go when Reena was the producer of the film, Amir's ex-wife. That time she was his wife actually, and they approached me, and I was very baffled and I was very confused. But Reena was very sweet, and she said, "Don't worry, I understand your fears. We need a choreographer. We don't need a cinematographer."
So, Terence, who according to you is the best dancer? Could be Bollywood, Hollywood?
To me, in terms of just movement quality, Prabhudeva is brilliant. I think although he tried to understand what Michael Jackson was, but somehow it was not. Michael Jackson is not his culture, right? It's American. So I love the way Prabhudeva had his own take on Michael Jackson and did things so differently and innovatively. And I think it's great when you do not understand a certain culture completely, but you get inspired, and then you take from there and you create your own language. I don't think even Prabhudeva understood that he was creating his own language, and that's what I love about him. Because even Michael Jackson, whom everybody copies, actually copied from Bob Fosse.
Well, Terence, as you rightly said, creativity or originality बहुत important है. So we will leave you to judge that on the show for yourself. Thank you so much for being on Zee Connect Season 6.
Thank you, Priya. Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you.
life may not be the party we hoped for, but while we are here, we might as well dance. इसी नोट पर it's time for me to sign off. अरे जाने से पहले इस एपिसोड के सवाल का जवाब तो सुनते जाइए. Well, the question was, बॉलीवुड की सबसे पहली अब्रॉड शूट होने वाली मूवी कौन सी थी? Well, the answer is Raj Kapoor and Sharmila Tagore starrer Sangam, जो काफी हद तक यूरोप में शूट हुई थी. थोड़ा मुश्किल हो गया नहीं? Well, चैलेंजिंग ना हो तो गेम कैसी? अगले हफ्ते तक stay connected with me through our Facebook page or our Twitter handle. Here's me, Priya, saying see you next week from Z Connect Season 6.